How to use Alibaba to make money. Alibaba is the largest B2B, business-to-business platform in the world. Alibaba was founded in 1999, and right now the business employs over 22,000 people and facilitates more than 80% of online sales in China. Alibaba makes it easy for manufacturers and wholesalers in China to connect with business owners from all over the world. Alibaba also owns several other e-commerce platforms like. There are a lot of opportunities to make money on Alibaba, and in this video we'll show you a few. If you've never looked at the website, you really need to. It sells everything, and we mean everything. The trouble is, when people look at the site, they can be overwhelmed with how much there is on there and panic and never see the full potential of how they could make some serious money from this site. One of the reasons the site puts people off is that you have to buy in bulk. Don't panic, we're here to help. In this video, we look at a few ways to get you started. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell. We bring out new videos every Thursday to help you make money. So let's get going. Here's some quick fire tips on how to use Alibaba and make some money. Dropshipping. If you wish to start an e-commerce business, but you couldn't afford the funds to stock up your shop, you can start with dropshipping business using Alibaba. All you need to do is find an Alibaba supplier who can offer dropshipping service. Enter into an agreement with them and then have them ship products directly to your buyers each time someone requests to purchase products from your e-commerce store. This means you don't have to buy large quantities of stock, and the business will scale up as and when you do. Watch out for another video coming soon all about dropshipping. Become a product sourcing expert. You can become a product sourcing expert and make money from business owners looking for specific products to buy on Alibaba or from China. You can help them source for the products and also help them bargain so you can get the products at a cheaper rate. If you have a few companies all wanting similar products, then you can facilitate buying in bulk and save them money and make some on the way for you. Affiliate marketing. We all know about affiliate marketing, but did you know you can promote products on any of the Alibaba e-commerce platforms and earn commission whenever anyone uses your link to purchase products? Private labeling. Private labeling involves looking for manufacturers on Alibaba who can manufacture products for you on a small scale basis and brand the products using your business name so it looks like your products were originally manufactured by you. With private labeling, you can manufacture products at a very cheap price in China and sell them at a higher price where you live. Product reseller. This is one of the easiest and quickest ways to make money through Alibaba. It's so simple. Just buy products from Alibaba. Don't forget you have to buy in bulk and resell them for a profit. You could use Amazon or eBay or any other platforms. Financing services. If you have some money already, another business idea is to offer financing services to people who need to manufacture goods in China or want to buy in bulk but haven't got the money. You could earn some money from the interest you would charge for these loans. Social media marketing. Social media is one of the best ways, obviously, to sell products online. You could start a social media business helping others with their products to sell through social media. Make sure you know what you're doing first and have a good track record. Become an Amazon seller. Another business idea is to set up a store on Amazon. Search for a lucrative product niche. Look at the best sellers on Amazon and start importing those products from Alibaba and start selling them on Amazon for a little bit cheaper. You have to be quick though, as best sellers don't stay that way for long. Language translation services. You could offer language translation services to facilitate communications between buyers and sellers who do not understand each other's languages. Product review services. You could set up a blog that reviews products on Alibaba and make money from affiliate marketing or from Google AdSense. Become an eBay seller. Another lucrative business idea is to source products from Alibaba and resell them on an eBay store for profit. You could do the same on Etsy and Shopify. Etsy is a platform that allows you to sell handmade products. You could import arts and crafts from Alibaba and sell them on Etsy or Shopify. Website developer. You could also make money from helping people set up e-commerce sites, affiliate marketing sites, and blogs to sell and promote their products from Alibaba. Set up a blog or forum. Another business idea is to set up a forum where people who do business on Alibaba or AliExpress, or people who wish to do business with these platforms, can meet to discuss and exchange useful information. Business directory service. You can also make money from creating a business directory for Alibaba suppliers to help potential buyers find suppliers in different categories and niches without any stress. You will make money from this, from Google AdSense adverts on your website and of course from Google AdSense. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.